Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play cat's cradle. First, find a piece of string, ideally about 100 inches long, tied into a loop. Place the loop over your palms, with the string running across the back of your hands and between your thumbs and index fingers. Make sure the string is taut but not overly tight, allowing for easy manipulation. This is the fundamental starting position for the game. Now, for player one's first move, you'll create the classic opening A pattern. Begin by inserting your thumbs into the string loops on your palms. Next, hook your index fingers under the string loops on the opposite palm. Carefully pull your hands apart, extending your fingers to reveal the first intricate design. This initial step sets the stage for all subsequent moves in the game. It's player two's turn to transform the pattern. With player one still holding the string, player two will insert their thumbs under the two outermost strings. Then, hook their index fingers over the two innermost strings. With a gentle and steady motion, player two carefully lifts the entire string pattern off player one's hands, creating a brand new design. The game continues with players alternating turns, each one modifying the previous pattern to create a new cradle. The goal is to keep the string from tangling or collapsing, passing the design back and forth. The game ends when a player can no longer form a recognizable pattern, or if the string becomes too tangled. With practice, you'll master many fascinating string figures and enjoy hours of fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.